Welcome back to Speak English with Telugu. Hi, my friend. How is it going? I'm doing well. Do you want to go shopping with me today? How about we go to the new mall that just opened up? I heard it has a lot of good stores. How about we leave around 11 am? That way we can have lunch there as well. Cool. Can't wait. I'll see you at 11 then. Wow, this place is huge. Where do you want to start? Great. I need a new dress too. Let's go to that boutique over there. It's beautiful. The colors are so vibrant. You should definitely try it on. I am eyeing that blue dress. It looks perfect for the party I am attending next week. It looks great. I am taking it too. Ready to check out? How about we get some lunch now? Shopping always makes me hungry. This place looks cozy. What are you going to order? I'll go for the paneer butter masala with naan. I need to get some accessories for my dress and maybe a pair of shoes. What about you? Perfect. We can visit the accessory store after lunch. Yes, I have. It's been getting great reviews. Do you want to go watch it together? Great idea. Oh, and I almost forgot. I need to buy a gift for my niece's birthday. Any suggestions? That sounds perfect. We can check it out after the accessory store. They are lovely. I found a pair of shoes that match my dress. I think I'm all set. Let's check that section over there. This one would match your saree perfectly. What do you think? There are so many options here. What do you think my niece would like? She is turning 5. That's a good idea. Look at this art and craft kit. It has everything she needs to make her own little projects. I'll get this one then. Anything else you need to buy? I am done too. Let's go to the checkout. Me too. It's always more fun shopping with a friend. Do you want to get some coffee before we go home? This place has such a nice vibe. What are you going to order? I'll also go with cappuccino. And maybe we can share a slice of cake. It's been pretty busy, but things are going well. How is your new project going? That's great to hear. I'm sure you will do an amazing job as always. Yes, I did. I have been thinking about joining. Do you want to register together? Absolutely, let's do it. Maybe we can go for a trial class next week. Great. Oh, our coffee is here. Let's enjoy. Definitely, I had a wonderful time. Thanks for the great company, my friend. I am excited for it. Oh, and before I forget, let's book the movie tickets. There are multiple show times available. How about the 7 p.m. show next Saturday? Done. I'm really looking forward to this movie. It's been a while since we went to the cinema together. Yes, that sounds perfect. We can try that new restaurant near the theater. Can't wait. Have a great rest of the day, my friend. Bye. And that's today's conversation. I suggest watching this video again if you had any trouble with the dialogues. If you spoke well, great job. I'm really proud of you. And don't forget to like and share this video with your friends who are learning English. If you have any doubts or topic suggestions, let me know in the comments. And make sure to subscribe for more conversations. See you in the next video. Take care.